The first algorithm that we have to see in block ciphers is data encryption standard. DES stands for data encryption standard. Now, this is called the satellite view. The diagram that you see is called the satellite view of an algorithm. Satellite view का मतलब क्या है? बहुत दूर से अगर देखोगे तो algorithm कैसा दिखेगा? It would be something like this. So now let me describe this. The first thing is we have a 64-bit plain text as an input, and we get 64-bit ciphertext as an output. And the key used is again of 64 bits. Very important to remember 3 points: 64-bit plain text, 64-bit output ciphertext, and 64-bit key. If a plain text is very long, say for example 1000 bits, 1000 kya 10,000 bits, okay, the chunk size of this particular algorithm is 64 bit. So we just अभी मैंने बताया कि we work on chunks of data here. So the first chunk of data of 64 bits is used. उसके बाद next chunk को encrypt करेंगे, उसके बाद next chunk को encrypt करेंगे, and we'll repeat the process. So this plain text does not suggest, the 64-bit plain text does not suggest that the entire plain text is of, the entire message is of 64 bit, but it suggests that the chunk size is of 64 bit. So जो operation होगा वो 64 bit पे होगा. Okay. So 3 points here: the input plain text, the key size, and the output ciphertext. Okay. Now let us zoom in this particular box. ये जो DES का box है उसके अंदर zoom करना है. So when I zoom inside this box, what I see is एक plain text अंदर आ रहा है. The first step that happens is something called as initial permutation. The first thing that happens is called initial permutation. After initial permutation, there are 16 rounds. There are 16 rounds. Okay. हम लोग हर एक चीज देखेंगे एक बहुत डिटेल में, लेकिन अभी सिर्फ सुन लो. There are 16 rounds where we give our key as input. यहाँ पे अपनी की यूज होगी. Further, these rounds are left-right swapped. These rounds are left-right swapped. Finally, we perform final permutation, and which results in a 64-bit ciphertext. Now, there is a very important keyword here that says 16 feastal rounds. That says 16 feastal rounds. Now, what are feastal rounds? Feastal rounds का मतलब है कि हर राउंड के पास एक यूनिक की होगा. So this key of 64 bit, is not the same as the 64-bit key which we saw in the earlier diagram. Okay. 16 rounds के लिए 16 अलग keys होंगी. What we have to do next is we have to zoom inside each and every block and then understand what is happening exactly in each and every block. Okay. So the first block suggests initial permutation. So we'll understand initial and final permutation together. Okay. We'll understand initial and final permutation together. What happens in initial permutation is सिर्फ ट्रांसपोजिशन होता है. The 64 bits are transposed. मतलब there is a constant key जो बोलता है 1 को 40 पे डालो, 2 को somewhere else, 3 को somewhere else, and so on. We just transpose each and every bit and form a new pattern of bits. Okay. We have to understand that these are not characters. ये सिर्फ ones and zeros है. Correct. There are 64 bits, so there are 64 ones and zeros. We just change the position of those ones and zeros depending on a fixed key. That key is fixed for DES algorithm. Okay. So according to that key, the first bit might move to bit number 40. The second bit might move to bit number say 48. Some random keys is present there. Okay, but that key is fixed. So 64 बिट का जो चंक था उसको हमने ट्रांसपोज किया एंड अगेन वी फॉर्म्ड अ 64 बिट की 64 बिट चंक, करेक्ट? तो ये जो था वो मेरा प्लेन टेक्स्ट था, दिस वाज माय प्लेन टेक्स्ट एंड आई ट्रांसपोज्ड इट टू फॉर्म अ न्यू चंक ऑफ 64 बिट। यहाँ तक कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए, ओके? ओके, so the next thing and very important and the important thing to learn is the 16 rounds. After 16 pistol rounds, what happens? The 64 bit permuted text मतलब अभी जो हमने बनाया इनिशियल परम्यूटेशन में, ठीक है, वो एज इनपुट आता है. नाउ वी डिवाइड इट into two blocks. We divide that 64 bit permuted text into two blocks. One is called the left block and the other is called the right block. Fine. So what will be the size of left and right block? Just write it here, 32 bits and 32 bits. Okay. So there is a left block of 32 bits and there is a right block of 32 bits. And why is it called L0 and R0? Because we have to repeat it for 16 times. Okay. So हम लोग देखते हैं क्या होता है आगे. Now what happens is the right block is passed through a function. I repeat, the right block is passed through a function along with the key of 48 bits. The right block is passed through a function along with the key of 48 bits and the resultant is XORed with the left block. And the resultant is XORed with the left block. Fine. The output of the same is given to the right block of the next round. The output of the same is given to the right block of the next round and R0 जो था वो डायरेक्टली हम नेक्स्ट राउंड के लेफ्ट ब्लॉक में फीड कर देते. हमने जो की का इनपुट लिया था वो 64 बिट्स का था. इन द प्रीवियस two diagrams also we saw the key size was of 64 bits. And why is it here 48 bits? ठीक है, तो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत वैलिड है, हम लोग को वो पूरे डिटेल में समझना है. वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट, बट फॉर नाउ just assume that it is a 48 bit key. How does it become 48 bit from 64? We'll understand in later slide. Okay. Okay. Now the next question that should arise कि ये जो function f है, what happens inside this function? ये function के अंदर होता क्या है? Okay. So this function, just a sec. This function is called as heart of DES. What is it called? The heart of DES. Fine. Now what happens inside this function? Let us understand. What happens inside this function? तो अभी ये function के अंदर zoom कर रहे हैं. What are we doing is we are zooming inside this function. The first thing that happens inside this heart is expansion. Expansion में क्या होता है? The 32-bit right block is expanded into 48 bits. It is expanded to 48 bits. Fine. After expanding the 32-bit into 48-bit right block, we pass it and XOR it with the key. और की का साइज भी कितना था? 48 बिट्स का. जब दो 48 बिट को हम लोग XOR करते हैं तो I get the resultant as 48 bits. I pass it through an substitution box. S box stands for substitution box and get the output as 32 bits. And get the output as 32 bits. I'm just repeating it. The right block of 32 bits is passed through an expansion function. What happens to this after the expansion function is it is expanded up to 48 bits. The key of 48 bits is XORed with the output of expansion function. And the output of XOR is passed through a compression function called as substitution box. which gives and results the 48 bits back to 32 bits. So we have to now understand what happens inside this expansion function and what happens inside this S box. So now let us zoom inside the expansion box. What happens inside the expansion? अभी expansion box में कितना bit आया था? 32 bits. Correct? Now this 32 bits are again further divided into smaller chunks. The 32 bits are again divided into smaller chunks of 8 blocks. I am repeating, 32 बिट का जो पूरा अपना ब्लॉक था उसको 8 ब्लॉक्स में डिवाइड किया, तो एक ब्लॉक का क्या साइज होगा? 4 बिट्स. ओके, 4 बिट्स. सो आई हैव जस्ट ड्रू हियर 2 सच ब्लॉक्स. ये एक है, ये एक है, ऑफ 4 बिट्स ईच. वी कन्वर्ट दिस पर्टिकुलर 4 बिट ब्लॉक into a 6 bit block. We convert this 4 bit block into 6 bit block because 6 into 8 becomes 48. समझ रहा है? क्योंकि मेरे को फाइनल आउटपुट क्या चाहिए? एक्सपेंशन का 48 बिट्स. तो मैं क्या करता हूं, ये जो 4 बिट ब्लॉक है ना, आई एम जस्ट ड्रॉइंग इट हियर. ये जो 4 बिट का ब्लॉक है उसको मैं 6 बिट में कन्वर्ट करता हूं. अब होता क्या है, ये जो पहला है ना, ये जो पहला बिट है, दैट इज फेड ओवर हियर. The second bit is fed to the third position. The third bit is fed to the fourth position. And the fourth bit is fed to the fifth position. Fine. The first bit is fed to the second position. The second bit is fed to the third position. The third bit is fed to the fourth position. And the fourth bit is fed to the fifth position. अब बचा फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट पोजीशन. अब इसके साथ क्या होता है, तो इसमें इसके पहले का जो 4 बिट ब्लॉक होगा उसका लास्ट बिट यहां आता है. ओके, एंड इन द लास्ट पोजीशन इसके बाद का जो 4 बिट ब्लॉक है उसका फर्स्ट बिट यहां आता है. तो व्हाट हैपेंस इज, ये जो पहला बिट ब्लैंक है वो लास्ट में से आता है, यहां से, एंड जो लास्ट ब्लैंक है वो यहां से आता है. 6 bits per block and there are 8 such blocks, so I have 48 bit as output. Now the next function that we have to understand is the S box, that is the substitution box. What happens here is, मेरा जो 48 bit का input है, it gets converted back to 32 bits. Now how does that happen? So here again we break this 48 bit chunks. We break this 48 bit chunks into 8 blocks. तो ये 6 बिट, सपोज ये जो पहला ब्लॉक है मैंने उसको सिर्फ डिस्क्राइब किया है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दैट 6 बिट्स आर दीज बिट्स. ओके, नाउ द फर्स्ट एंड द लास्ट बिट, वो कौन सा है? द फर्स्ट एंड द लास्ट बिट इज व्हाट? 1 0. Okay, and the remaining 4 bits is how much? 1 0 0 1. We take a table, एक टेबल लेते हैं which is called as S box table, which has 4 rows and 16 columns. It has 4 rows and 16 columns. ठीक है? Now this block का जो फर्स्ट 2 बिट्स का जो हमने फर्स्ट और लास्ट बिट निकाला, we removed the first and last bit which was 1 and 0. 1 and 0 gave me the row number and 1001 gave me the column number. Fine. The first and the last bit give me the row number, and the remaining 4 bits in between give me the column number. Now, what is the row number 2 here? It is this particular row. Fine. And what is the column number here? That is 9, which is this particular column. So what is the element? The element is number 12. It is number 12. And how do I write 12 in binary? 1, 1, 0, 0. This is how you convert a 6-bit number, into a 4-bit number. A 6-bit number into a 4-bit number. So now ये एक 6-bit का ब्लॉक को हमने 4-bit का ब्लॉक बना दिया. वैसे ही सारे 8 जो 8 ब्लॉक्स है, we have to convert those into 4-bit blocks. I have converted a 48-bit block into 32-bit block. The output of the 16 pistol rounds will give me L15 and R15, which I pass through, which I just swap to form R16 and L16. एंड द लास्ट ब्लॉक फाइनल परम्यूटेशन, उसमें एग्जैक्टली सेम चीज होती है जो इनिशियल परम्यूटेशन में हुई, जस्ट दैट द की इज डिफरेंट. द की फॉर परम्यूटेटिंग इट और ट्रांसपोजिंग इट इज डिफरेंट. जो इनिशियल परम्यूटेशन में किया ना हमने ये चीज, वही चीज हम फाइनल परम्यूटेशन में भी करते हैं, जस्ट दैट वो जो पोजिशंस थे वो वापस चेंज हो जाएंगे. तो अगर मैंने 1 को पहले 40 में डाला था, वो अभी किसी और में जाए. और नाउ this is your entire DES. Now, the last part of our DES, to understand DES algorithm is ये की के साथ क्या होता है. ये जो की था ना 64 bit का, what happens with this key? Because the first thing was we are not using the entire 64 bit key, we are using 48 bit key. Moreover, हमारे पास एक ही है की 64 bits का. We have only one key of 64 bits and we are using 16 different keys for each round. Are you understanding the question? So there should, मतलब कुछ तो हो रहा है key के साथ. We have to understand what is exactly that process. Now let us understand what happens with the key. So we have a 64-bit key. We have 64-bit key. The first thing that happens is parity drop. The first thing that happens is parity drop. Parity drop का मतलब है ये 64 बिट की जो है ना, उसमें there are 8 parity bit keys at position number 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56 and 64. Why are parity bits used? It is used for error correction and detection. तो पहले तो हम वो eliminate कर देते हैं. Fine. So this 56 bit key is divided into 2 blocks again. एक है 28 bit और दूसरे साइड भी 28 bit. And this key is rotated left. Shift left दो तरीके से हो सकता है. एक तो we discard the leftmost bit or we rotate it. So if I have this string, suppose 1 1 1 1 0 0. So if I tell you to shift left this particular bits by 1 bit, so what will be the resultant? But I have to rotate shift it. मतलब क्या? The leftmost bit
last zero के जगह
become the LSB. So it becomes 1 1 1 0 0 1. Okay. So this is what happens here at this particular step with 28 bits. Now राउंड नंबर 1, राउंड नंबर 2, राउंड नंबर 6 एंड राउंड नंबर 16 में हम एक ही बिट रोटेट करते हैं। बाकी सारे इसमें हम 2 बिट रोटेट करते हैं। What happens next? We feed the bits after rotating again to a compression box. Again to a compression box. What does this compression box do? It drops 8 more bits. It drops 8 more bits. तो ये 28 बिट आया इधर, ये 28 बिट आया, यहाँ से भी 28 बिट्स आया, becomes 56, and after dropping 8 more bits I get 48 bits का first key. Okay, I do it n number of times to generate n number of bits, n number of keys. मतलब यही जो लेफ्ट शिफ्ट किया हुआ था उसको वापस लेफ्ट शिफ्ट करते हैं to generate the second key. Again I shift it left to generate the third key, and so on. So this is the first diagram that we saw. Inside this block, there were 4 steps. First was initial permutation, then there were 16 rounds. After 16 rounds, there is a final left-right swap, and then final permutation. Inside 16 rounds, we saw these following steps. और इसमें एक फंक्शन था जिसको हार्ट ऑफ डीईएस था, जिसके अंदर ये सब चीजें हो रही थी, एक्सपेंशन वगैरह. Now, finally, we know what happens exactly inside DES algorithm. Okay. Now, what happens at double D? मतलब अगर मैं DES का ब्लॉक दिखा रहा हूँ, इसका मतलब वो पूरा चीज इसके अंदर हो रहा है. So in double DES, we run the algorithm twice. We run the same algorithm twice just to increase the complexity. Now what happens is plain text को DES में डाला with K1 as the key. Okay. Results in a intermediate cipher. Let me call it as C1. C1 का साइज भी कितना होगा? 64 bit, which is again passed in DES with second key, that is another key K2, and finally we get our cipher. Simple. This was double DES. Now the next is triple DES. The next is triple DES. Okay. Now what happens here? हम लोगों ने plain text लिया 64 bit का. We passed it through DES algorithm with key 1 of 64 bit. I got cipher 1. Now I am running inverse DES function. What do we mean by inverse DES function? जो DES हमने encryption के लिए यूज किया उसका एग्जैक्ट उल्टा प्रोसेस, मतलब जो डिक्रिप्शन के लिए होगा उससे हम लोग पास कर रहे हैं. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज, अगर मैं एनक्रिप्ट करके वापस डिक्रिप्ट कर दे रहा हूं तो वो प्लेन टेक्स्ट बनना चाहिए, करेक्ट. बट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर, हाँ, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर इज जिस की से एनक्रिप्ट किया है उस की से डिक्रिप्ट नहीं कर रहा हूं, किसी और ही की से डिक्रिप्ट कर रहा हूं. मतलब आई विल गेट सम रैंडम प्लेन टेक्स्ट अगेन. So I'm writing it as P star. I'll be able to decrypt it, but मेरे को वापस original plain text नहीं मिलेगा. I'll get something random. Again of how many? 64 bits. And finally, we pass it again through DES with the third key, to get the cipher. I can repeat K1 twice. Okay. Now इससे क्या होता है? I'll get a cipher 1 first. Then I am decrypting it with K2. Then I'll get some random plain text. Let me call it P star. Now I'm encrypting again with K1 itself. So K2 और K1 में तो कोई relation नहीं है, right? That means I'll get a new cipher by using only 2 keys. So this is a second type of triple D. You use only 2 different keys. Okay.